Yagni benta jonga kubor la one raspi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Halor ke Jingioh Jingioh Leit Khawai Shongkurim daki sapu Ngut ki bana Shillong umentri rangba bendrap ke Sorkar Jylla ba Preston Tinsong ulapan tip bana kini ki sapu Ngut arngut naki kila yo COVID-19 uba Preston ulai thuru bagini baro akibawan na ke Khawai Shongkurim na Assam kila shong slung lut bar ke Sorkar Jylla kalapathai ki Deputy Commissioner ke RiKhasi District Badri Boy District bakin pai ke Kaiphot Halor ke Jingbam la telakam bhai kini ki sapu Ngut ki balapun poison don hadu kani ke Jingja.
Today, in the review meeting headed by our Chief Minister, we have discussed all the details, pros and cons of this specific event that has happened on the 27th, as well as when they come back. Again, small reception has taken place somewhere in Shillong. Immediately after coming back from that border Khanapara, straight again to Shillong. On the second they had one small reception of their bride and groom. So we discussed all the detail about this, and ultimately, because yesterday we have already instructed both the Deputy Commissioner to conduct inquiry to all these lapses that has happened. So tomorrow we are getting the report from both the Deputy Commissioner. One is East Castles and number 2 is Bhoi District. And then once the report is in place, tomorrow we are going to take a decision finally. So right now still I can't say who has committed lapses, that still we cannot say much. But I'm telling you, we have taken note of this from the government level, and we will make sure that no lapses again happens in future.